In this lesson, we are going to learn about the Arabic alphabet Ha.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, Zaki. Yes, good, Zaki. That's a ha. I'm going to make this sheet a little bigger like this. And then I'm going to ask you to find the ha one more time. Go ahead, find all the ha's. So today we have like a lot of different kinds of ha. Yes, that's a ha. How did you know? Are you trying to tell me this one is ha?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. What a tricky ha. So sometimes the ha can have two eyes. Yeah. Sometimes one eye can only be at the end. Okay, never in the beginning, at the end. Okay, good. And this is the most trickiest ha ever. You know what I call this ha? I call it the what? I call it the bird ha. It's like a bird ha. It looks like a bird. You know, in our sometimes people draw like
I used to draw birds like that.
yeah, I used to draw words like that. Yes, I know. So, and especially there's a sun over here, right? There's a sun and the birds are going there. Something like that, right? It's a flying birds. Yep. So I'm always gonna call it the bird ha. Okay, so now you know the bird ha came out from here. That's the bird ha. Okay, and this is ha, two eyes. This is ha, one eye. Hey, quickly, let's have a competition. Who's gonna find the other ha's? Okay, let's go in the first line. Hey, I found this one. Hey, I found this one. Go ahead. In the same line, there is a very tricky ha. Let's see if you can take it, you can find it in this line. There is another very tricky ha. It's got just one eye. It's got just one eye. Where is that tricky ha? In the highlighted area. Where is it? Yeah, that's right. Okay, that is a very tricky. Okay, so that can't be any other letter. That's a ha sitting right there. Okay, good. Okay, any other ha's? Quickly. Yes, this is a ha, two eyes. Any other ha? Any other ha? Hey, that's a ha. That's also okay. And hey, look at this ha. Now people don't think this is ha, right? My students don't think this is ha. Hey, what happened to this ha? You want to know what happened to this ha? You know
What?
what happened to this ha? It became squished. See, now it looks like that ha, right? Now this is the
Yeah.
nice juicy ha, right? What happened? It became squished. So the ha can be squished. Now, how many different ha's do we know? I'm going to write all of them. We know the bird ha. I'm going to get the bird from here, okay? The I. Let's go. Hey, can I even get the bird ha? Hold on. Oh, come on, bird ha. Okay, I think I got it. Come on, bird ha. So now we have a bird ha, okay, and we have a squished ha, and we have ha with two eyes, and we have in the end there is a ha with one eye. One last ha is missing. Remember this ha? I'm going to trace over it and then I'm going to show you. So which ha is missing? So many different ways a ha can hide. Wow, mashallah. Okay, so one last ha, let's find it in orange, and that's right here, this ha. Okay, so this is also a ha. It's not too long. Okay, no, it's not too long. It's just got like just a round ha with two bunny ears. Okay, that's a ha. Okay, let's go get this ha. Let's put this ha also in our collection of ha. So now we have a collection of ha. Hey, I need to write the name. Hey, this is ha, letter ha, the vibration ha, letter ha. Okay, now I think we rounded up all the different shapes of ha. Ha, ha. This is ha, two eyes. This one, the two with the little tiny bunny ears. And then the squished ha. The squished ha can look like this, or sometimes it's not squished, or sometimes it's squished. And then this ha. This kind of one eye ha can only come at the end of the chunk of letters. The ha loses an eye at the end, never in the beginning. Okay? See at the end. See at the end, never in the beginning. In the beginning, it's always two eyes. Okay, good job. Okay, very good.